What's up, YouTube? So today we're back here with the bike review. So as you can see, here we have my 29-inch drone cycles, fully custom. So starting parts, look right here. As you can see, we have some zoom brakes. Okay, that's some good, decent brakes. We have a volume stem, a black. Here we have just a normal black goon fork, some 29-inch goon rims, some Maxxis tires, right? Then we have a Dior crank, as you can see, Shimano Dior, some demolition pedals, and we have Mafia pegs right here. Now, if you come over onto the other side, follow me onto the other side right here. Now, we have a Mafia seat, right? And if you open this and you lift this, we have a Uno seat post. Those are good seat posts for wheelies. And then, now, the best part about this bike is yesterday I just did a fully custom chain. So if you look at my paint jobs, yep, you see that. Very nice. Now, we're gonna show you what you could do on these bikes on the next clip.
Step by, every time he step out, it's a movie. Toe in the toilet, I'm rolling the doobie. I'm sticking and moving, I'm burning and licking. I ain't got time for you little niggas. I ain't got time for you little bitches. Show me you different, show me you different, show me you different, girl, show me you different. How you gonna act like I wasn't there? How you gonna act like a nigga ain't care? I was on 1800 block all day, now it wasn't easy, had to get this shit the hard way, but I maintain, never complain, come true to the game, ain't never been a lame. Nigga, I crewed up when I was 9, got in the street, fell in love with the grind. I love the hustle, all of the nights I sacrificed, it could only make me tough. All of the trials that made me wild, and tribulations that made me wild. Tell my child, don't fuck with them guys.